How are we feeling tonight?
Cold, but
Cold?
very excited.
Yeah!
I went to a dermatologist here and they told me skincare is a scam.
Just wait!
What's it?
That's gin tonic.
Gin tonic?
It looks fancy, right?
Yeah.
Little picture together, yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Is it looking all right? Yes, I guess.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty
We'll
good.
get more of that.
Yeah, I always take a couple in just in case.
How do you like it?
I like it. I mean, it's nice, it's safe, convenient. I mean, and the nightlife is not half bad.
Yeah.
How are we feeling tonight?
Cold, but
Cold?
very excited.
Cold outside and
Yeah.
really warm in the inside.
Exactly.
All right.
All right, guys, let's go.
All right. You saw the picture from last time?
Yeah.
There was a pretty good picture of you, right?
Yes. It was a really good picture. I posted it on everything. My family was like, wow.
Nice. Show me your shots. All right. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Yep, that's better. Thank you guys. Looking good? Yeah, good. Guys, I'm Jeremy. I'm taking a picture for the popcorn tonight. You want to join? All right. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Thank you guys. Oh, me? That was not half bad.
I appreciate
Yeah, that's the perfect place to hang out with random people.
Is that what people do? Like other solo travelers, they come here, but they don't.
Yeah, I see people by themselves every week. Yeah.
I wasn't looking. Let me see. We have to rethink. Okay, good.
It's all right.
Good job.
You guys doing good?
But I'm not actually. I grew up in Europe.
Right? Let's- Careful there.
My boy.
Picture? Huh? Picture together, guys.
I took a picture. Shit. What? There you go.
What's going on here? All right.
He got the first one. You got the second.
You don't need more color?
I might need more ones.
I just. You really don't drink at all?
No, I've never had.
Oh wow!
I grew up not drinking.
I'm impressed.
I know it's tough.
That's why your skin is so nice.
My skin is shit. I came here, I'm like, wow.
Really?
What the fuck are people doing here to have perfect skin? What the hell? Does your wife have perfect skin too?
Yes, she does.
How does she do it?
I don't know.
I went to a dermatologist here, and they told me skincare is a scam. I'm like, bitch, what?
She doesn't do much.
That's what they told me, that I'm not supposed to. They're like the whole country. They're known for selling all this shit, and it's all fake. What the fuck? I came here for this. I came here to buy skincare, and they're like, oh no, it's actually all a scam.
That's how we already know when it's here. See these ice creams? Don't you be bachelor? $1 million. She got it. Oh, she got it.
I think people are not working that straight anymore.
Except for me.
Yeah, of course.
Sober.
She doesn't drink, so she feels good about herself
I can take care of you.
when she's with drunk people.
Take care of myself, goddammit. That's so real.
Which one of you speak Korean?
Seoul Pub Crawl! Are you ready? 1, 2, 3! Thank you guys! One, two, three!
I'm looking for a man in finance.